In this video, I will show you how to quickly and easily buy the cryptocurrency Fantom. First, we will create an account on Bitpanda. Simply click on the link down in the video description below and you will be taken directly to this page right here. Create your account right here within a few seconds and you will automatically get the best sign-up bonus available. Depending on how much you invest, you can get up to 100 euro in bonuses. Once we have created an account, we first need to verify ourselves. So you'll need to do this on every platform as you cannot deposit any euros otherwise. So you should automatically see right here a button to verify. You need to click on that and then upload a picture of your ID card, your driver's license or your passport. The verification only takes a few minutes and then we can fully use the platform. Next, we can now deposit money. For this, you need to go to deposit up here at the top, then choose fiat currencies and then your fiat currency. In my case, I'm going to choose euro. Then we can see all these different payment methods. As you can see, all of them are instant and also completely for free, all of them. So you can decide which one you prefer. I will quickly show you, for example, the bank transfer. Let's say we want to deposit 1,000 euro. Then just click on confirm right here. And then you will get the banking details that you need for the bank transfer, such as the recipient name, the IBAN and the reference number, which you need to include in your bank transfer. If your bank supports SEPA Instant, the transfer should also arrive within a few minutes. Otherwise, it can take 1 to 3 days. But of course, we also have other options. If you have a credit or debit card, you can also use Visa and MasterCard. You just enter your card details there and you will instantly have the money right here, also without any fees. Or you can also use Apple Pay if you download the app to your iPhone and log in with your existing account. Of course, register beforehand through the link in the description to get the bonus. This also works and then the money is instantly available here too. Lastly, I also want to show you how it works with PayPal because that's also a very nice option. You just click on here. Let's say we want to deposit 1,000 euro. Agree right here and click on confirm. And then we just need to log into our PayPal account and confirm the payment. And then we have the money deposited to our account. Once we have completed the deposit, we can now go to our portfolio up here in the top. And then if we scroll down, we can see our fiat, in my case, euro balance right here. Now we can buy Fantom, and to do that we simply go up here to trade, then click on buy, and then we simply search up here for Fantom and select it right here. Now we need to type in how much we want to invest. In this case, I'm going to go for 100 euro, for example. You can also see your available balance down here and then click on next. And then all we need to do is simply click down here on buy now and the purchase is completed. Don't forget to pick up your sign-up bonus with up to 100 euro in bonuses by simply clicking on the first link down in the video description. Create your account right here within a few seconds. And if you have any other questions, feel free to ask them in the comments.